I love traveling by car through the vast expanses of Ukraine, exploring unique corners of this beautiful country. This time, I would like to invite you to a virtual journey along Ukraine's rural asphalt roads to get acquainted with the road infrastructure, and to assess the quality of Ukrainian roads. We will test the quality and safety of driving on Ukrainian roads in 2023. With passion and a thirst for adventure, I got behind the wheel of my car and started my journey. We are traveling along a country road in the Kyiv region of Ukraine, on Route T1022. This route runs through the territory of the Myronivka and Bohuslav districts. The total length of the road is 36 kilometers. The first few kilometers were marked by a not very good road surface, which made it impossible to enjoy the surrounding nature. There were small potholes and holes along the way, which made the journey a little more difficult. You had to be careful and cautious to avoid damaging your car and to ensure your safety. Almost all of these roads pass through small settlements, so there are speed limits for vehicles. This road is not in the best condition. Although there are no deep potholes, the asphalt surface is uneven, covered with patches, and closer to the edge of the road there are bumps and overlaps in the asphalt. Such road surprises can damage the car and lead to accidents. The total length of roads in Ukraine is 172,000 kilometers. In the world, the length of the country's road network ranks only 31st. In first place is the USA with 7 million kilometers. The USA is followed by India, with almost 6 million kilometers of roads, and third place goes to China, with 5 million kilometers.
Продовжуйте рухатись прямо впродовж 10 хвилин.
Ukrainian roads are divided into roads of national importance and roads of local importance. National roads are international, national, and regional roads. We are traveling by car on a road of local importance. These roads connect regional and district centers and villages. These roads take me through cozy villages with cheerful and smiling people, through picturesque fields full of colorful flowers and agricultural crops. Each place has its own atmosphere and charm. Driving along Ukraine's rural asphalt roads, you can watch the landscape change outside your car window as one village replaces another. The Global Economy Organization monitors the quality of roads around the world and ranks 141 countries on a 7-point scale. A surprising fact emerges from this ranking: Singapore's roads are recognized as the best in the world. But despite this honorable distinction, the people of this small country are still unhappy with their roads. As for Ukraine, in 2012 the country's roads were ranked 133 out of 148, making them some of the worst in the world. Among European countries, Ukraine ranked penultimate, ahead only of Moldova. This was an alarming signal of the need for urgent action to improve Ukraine's road infrastructure. But since 2020, Ukraine's road ranking has improved significantly, thanks to major repairs and construction. Government agencies and road services have focused on tackling the problem, recognizing the importance of a well-developed and safe transport infrastructure for the country's economic and social development. Quality roads help to develop tourism and attract investment, which benefits the country's economy as a whole. My journey along the country roads of Ukraine turned out to be a real adventure that I will remember for a long time. It allowed me to see and feel the rhythm of provincial life, full of peace, harmony, and beauty. I sincerely hope that after Ukraine wins the war with Russia, its road infrastructure will improve significantly. May the Ukrainian people find peace and prosperity, and the country's roads will approach the level of Singapore's and become an example for other countries. Thank you for following the events in Ukraine and supporting our channel to keep abreast of the changes and successes of the reconstruction. It is important to share true information and spread positive stories about the country to inspire others. If you enjoyed my virtual journey, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and leave your feedback in the comments.
Зверніть ліворуч на дорогу у 100-313. Через 3 кілометри 500 метрів. Поверніть праворуч. Через 1 кілометр. Поверніть праворуч. Поверніть праворуч.